you'll be learning a topic. Subject is English. Topic degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. This is new to you. Almost you have learned in the previous class noun, verb, tenses, adjectives, pronoun, everything you have learned. But here you are going to learn a new topic, that is degrees of comparison. Later on you will be knowing what you mean by degrees of comparison in this class. So you know what is a noun means. You tell a noun tells us about a person, place, animal or a thing, isn't it? Yes. What do you mean adjective? Adjective is nothing but it describes the noun. It describes the noun. See how is Sandhya miss? Sandhya is a noun. How is Sandhya miss? How do you describe? She is a third standard class teacher. She is a short. She has got short hair. Yes, isn't it? She has 2 earrings. So all this number, color, and all you will be expressing about something. You are describing about a person, isn't it? That is nothing but adjective. Adjective, you are describing a noun. Noun, it tells about the name of a person, place, animal, thing. How the animal is. What is that? How a tiger is. Tiger looks like a cat. It has got yellow color. It tells the color, yellow color. How many stripes are there? Number. This is what adjective describes the noun. This is a new topic for you. You feel little difficult, but still I'll try to explain you as much as possible. And please listen and practice it. Okay children? Yes. Now we'll move on to the lesson. Look at this plant. Look at this plant. Can you tell the difference between 3 plants? Here 1, 2, 3. There are 3 plants. You can see here there are 3 plants. Look at this plant. Can you tell the difference between the 3 plants? Can you tell children? Yes. This is T-A-L-L, tall. Next to that, the next to that is what? T-A-L-L-E-R, taller. Next to it is taller. And that one, the third one, what is that? So here this is tall, taller and tallest. You can see the adjectives tall, taller, tallest. When you comparing me or anybody like Shravya or Naomi, who is high? Naomi is tall and Shravya is short. You can tell short, shorter and shortest. You can use the term short, shorter and shortest. Got it children? Yes. The adjectives are compared tall, taller and tallest of 3 plants, isn't it? Sometimes we need to compare. Sometimes we need to compare the things, person, animal and what? Name of a person. I said person, place, animal and a thing. We need to compare. Such a comparison, we use the different form of degrees to compare. Such forms, we use a different form of degrees. That is nothing but degrees of comparison. So when we compare the adjectives, it tells about the degrees of comparison. Okay. Person, place and a thing, we compare such adjectives. So they are called a comparison of degrees. Now let us move on to the first degree. Okay, there are three types of degree. One is positive degree, one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. There are three types of degrees. I said already there are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. One I already gave the example: tall, taller, and tallest. Positive degree, it is not compared. It is not compared. We just give as an example. Positive degree is not compared. No comparison. So, like Shravya is short girl. Shravya is an adjective. How she is? She is short. Okay. This is the example we can give. Now, first example. This apple is sweet. It is not compared here. Adjective is apple. How it is? It is a sweet, isn't it? How it is sweet. Naveen is short boy. Now, noun is Naveen. It tells the name of a person. Naveen is a short, and how Naveen is short. Okay, the boy is short. So here this apple is sweet. Okay. First example for the positive degree is the apple is sweet. It is not compared with anybody else. The apple is, we don't know how it is. It is just a sweet. Got it, children? Yes. Now the second one is comparative degree. Comparison is nothing but here we compare two things, a person or a place, anything we are comparing two things. Here we compare two things. Comparing two things by adding er. Got it? Here we are comparing two things by adding er. Got it, children? Here we compare two things by adding er. Now, comparing two things. Here I have drawn two fruits. One is apple and another one is grapes. Okay. Now, the second example. The grapes are sweeter. The grapes are sweeter than apples. Here we are comparing two things, that is apple and grapes. Here only we have not compared. It is casual. The apples are sweet, that is positive degree. Here we are comparing two things, that is grapes and apple. Grapes are sweeter than apples. Comparative degree is formed by adding sweeter, by adding comparative degree is formed. Now the third example, it is used to compare more than two things, or a people or anything, more than two things. Here only two things, comparing two things, that is only a grapes and apple we had compared. Here more than two things or a person we are comparing. That is nothing but superlative degree. Superlative degree is formed by adding est. By adding est. What do you see here? Here a fruit bowl. Many fruits are there. Mango is sweetest of all the fruits. Here not only one fruit, here many fruits. We are comparing with many fruits. That is nothing but superlative degree. But how do you compare? Mango is sweetest than all the fruit. Here the mango, you can see here. King of fruit is nothing but a mango. Mango is sweetest among all the fruit. Okay. Mango is sweetest of all fruits. This is nothing but a degrees of comparison. Only little part is there for your children. So here degrees of comparison. This apple is sweet. Here we have not compared anything. The apples are sweet. Here in a comparative degree, it is an example of comparative degree. Here this is a positive degree example. This is a comparative degree and this is a superlative degree. Here comparative degree is formed with the comparing two fruits, that is grapes are sweeter than apples. By adding here it is formed comparative degree. Superlative degree or it is a more than two things, two person or two animals, more than two. So mango is sweetest of all fruits. Here superlative degree is formed by adding est. Some degrees are there. In such case, some degrees are there. We use more to form a comparative degree and most to form a comparative degree. So positive degree like a beautiful is one example for positive degree. Here we are not compared. For comparative degree we use more beautiful and superlative degree we use most beautiful. This is what the degree of comparison. There are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Got it? Here we are not going to compare anything, only a thing, whatever it is there, we are telling directly. Here we are comparing with two things by adding ER, and here more than two things by adding EST. It forms a superlative degree. Hope you understood this lesson, I think, children. Thank you. And here in page number 10, there is a small exercise for you. I will do two things. We will be doing rest of the things. Complete the table. Positive degree they have given. Old. Already I said when you are comparing with other, so you will be adding ER, and superlative degree you are going to add EST. So old, older and oldest for first example. And second one, long, longer and longest. Short, shorter and shortest. Next they have given young and close. You have to do it. Okay children, this will be your homework. Page number 10 is your homework. Kindly don't forget to write the homework. I will be doing one part of remaining thing. Answer the following question, children. I will be doing answer the following question of this lesson. We already studied about the three friends, isn't it? We already studied about the three friends. Here the glance of the question answers is there. Just I will be glancing out. How many friends were there in the story? There were three friends. That is turtle, rat and a frog. These were the three friends. Where did the three friends live? The three friends live near the ocean. They used to spend their time by talking and drinking tea and having their evening snacks in the field. Where did the three friends share the good relationship? What did they do to maintain their friendship? They used to collect all the things what they have grown in the farm they used to bring, they used to sit together and they used to have, eat and chat from morning till evening. They won't be knowing whether the sunrise is falling on them. Such a thing they were sharing among themselves. What did rat do to save himself from the flood? The rat scurried to a forest. It ran quickly to the forest and climbed the top of the tree. It escaped from a flood. Where did the rat build a new home? On the top of the tree. It built a house on the top of the tree. What happened when the frog and turtle meet rat after the water level went down? So one day the water level, the flood was there. All the three friends were segregated. They were not knowing. Only rat built a house on the tree top. When it was dry, it came out to see the three friends. When it saw, it felt very happy and it was glad. It was glad to meet all the three friends. How did the rat help the turtle to climb the tree? How did it? Because turtle always it will be in a pond, and even frog even needs a water. They cannot climb. Frog at least they can jump. Turtle cannot do. So what the rat did? Rat said it has a bushy tail with a nice tail. So it asked turtle to catch the tail from his jaws and asked the turtle, hold it tightly. I will be taking to the top of my house. So it made with the by telling it, it made the turtle hold it straight, and rat started to climb, and it was followed by the turtle. What happened when the turtle met rat's wife? Obviously, when we meet each other, the word we say hello and hi. So turtle did not notice it was holding rat tails in his jaw. When the rat's wife wished hello, it opened its mouth wide and it fell down and it broke its shell, and so beautiful tail rat had, it came out like that. Got it, children? This is the question answers of this lesson. Learn the answers, write neatly in a 4-line book. It's a second semester, first lesson you are writing in a 4-line book. Write the topic, heading has a what? 3 friends, and next to that you write a new words followed by the question answers, and rest exercise activities you will be doing in a textbook. Hope you understood this lesson and the small unit of a grammar, that is a degrees of